you got yourself into.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another grocery haul. This is us trying to live on a budget, and my husband is here and he's very unpredictable. Say hi.
Hello.
So this week we're trying out, well, I was supposed to try out the $100 for 7 people for the month. Didn't happen because I spent $93, and I'm gonna try to push it for 2 weeks because we're trying to cut our grocery bill down from $1,000 a month to $150 a month. It's not, I will tell you right now, it's not gonna happen because I spent $93. So I'm gonna try to see if this stuff will last us for 2 weeks. That way, you know, $200 a month, not bad. So let's see what I got, okay? And remember, this is grocery haul for the children's lunches and dinner. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so don't mind my counter, it's a mess. I got some hot dogs. I got chicken hot dog, 24 count. So I figured this could I could utilize this for different things for their lunches. Got some ground beef because we make cheeseburger soup, so I got 2 things of that. So I got 2 of these because we're trying to cut out meat. But the cheeseburger soup, if you've never had cheeseburger soup, oh my lord, it is so good. So that's what that is for. I got some onions because we use onions for everything. Even if we're just having egg, we put onion in there. I have some pretzel salty sticks. So I figured this could be, and don't mind my ashy hand. It's been cold these days. The children lunches again. Can put this with peanut butter, whatever. This was 92 cents at Walmart. Not a bad buy. Got some toasted O's. I don't know, just Walmart brand of Cheerios. And then I got this bad boy back here, Magic Treasures. I don't know, but hey, it's for breakfasts in the morning for the children. I figured I could put some fresh fruits and vegetable in their lunches because I've been just feeding them processed stuff and I'm not really a fan, but you know, what are you gonna do? You know what I mean? You can't beat yourself up. If you have to feed your children, by all means, go ahead. But I wanted to put back some fresh fruits and vegetable in their diet. So that's what this is. So I got 2 cucumber. They were 64 cents per, a piece. So I just got 2. And then I have some lettuce here because, yeah, like I said, I want to put some vegetable back in their diet. Got some rotisserie chicken breast. This is mainly for my husband. He always makes himself a chicken sandwich for lunch, and that's all he eats all week long. So no wonder the man always looked loaded and this is what he eats. And this was $6.94. You don't like the chicken? Oh, you should have said something before I spent $7 on this. Oh, okay. Well, next time. This will last you for a whole month then. Got some hot dog buns. These were 88 cents. So I got 2 of those. Like I said, these probably could 1 week, because I could do hot dogs for 2 days in a row in 1 week and then the next week. So that's that. I got some cheese because Maddie loves cheese. I couldn't, this was $1 something, but she likes these, but I prefer to give her the string cheese because she goes through this way too fast and then come back looking at me like she wants more. So she'll eat like 2 slices of those. I got some ranch. Butterscotch pudding. Children love pudding. And then I have the chocolate pudding. I have some banana. because it was very inexpensive. And then I have some apples, some bag apples. That way they can have apples in their lunches and stuff like that to give them, you know, fresh I was giving them the packaged fruit, and even though that's good, I feel like, you know, nothing's better than the fresh stuff. So if you can't afford it, and you can splurge on these, go ahead and get it. It's better than, you know, packaged stuff. I got some stacks. These were $1, and I mainly got these for the husband. He can have these as sides for his lunches. So that's what I got him. And this probably is gonna last him 2 days. That's how greedy he is. I got some sour cream because we like sour cream with our cheeseburger soup. I have some peanut here. I can always throw this, you know, in a little container, and it's like a little treat for them. I have some carrot here. So I'm trying them out with these slices, the sliced ones, instead of the regular stick. So I'm gonna give that to them with ranch. So that way, you know, they get good stuff in their lunches. Even though we might be poor, doesn't mean that we have to eat bad, you know. Anyways, I'm rambling. Mixed vegetable. So I got 2 cans of mixed vegetable. I have some kidney beans because I make rice and peas with these. And then I have black beans because my husband loves black beans. No, these are whole potatoes. Whole potatoes for my cheeseburger soup. So I got 2 of those. And then I got the black beans. This is my husband's favorite. So I got that. And then some more sliced potatoes for. And then I got some celery stick because these are awesome, awesome, awesome. I can throw them in soup. I can throw them in their lunches. Whatever. Just, you know, good stuff. More black beans, more kidney beans. I have some diced potatoes. And then I have, this was 93 cents for 6. They're smaller than the regular ones, but you do what you have to, you know what I mean? Do what you have to. Value pack. This is good because in the mornings, it's easy for them to come down and make this. And it's so filling. And even though I know it's a lot of crap in here, this is the best way that I can feed 5 children on a budget. So there's 20 packs in here, which will last them a few days. But yeah, I got that. Then I stumbled up on this guy. It was $1 or something for 16 pastries. So I figured they can have it for breakfast. Well, not breakfast because that's a lot of sugar so early in the morning. But they can have it for lunch, I guess. And I went ahead and splurged and got them these mini cookies. There's 12 in here, so it lasts them a few days. I got some chicken broth for our cheeseburger soup. This is really good in our cheeseburger soup. I know, beef and chicken, yes, it's really good. Jaxson loves yogurt. And then Walmart had the 12 pack for $4 something. And when I did the math, it would be cheaper if I got it individually. So I got blueberry, I got some vanilla, I got some peaches. And in the pack, it's just one flavor. I've never seen the variety pack, so it's better if I get it individual because I can get different flavors and stuff so that they can have. And then I had this on the go tubes for them. I just, why not? It was $1.74, I believe. I could be wrong. And then I got eggs. So I got 60 eggs for $3.47 or $3 something. It was right around. It was more $4 than it was $3. Got lots of breads because this is my go-to. Grilled cheese, peanut butter, just chicken sandwich, whatever. Just bread. So I got 4 of these. These were 88 cents, I believe. And then I got this guy. This was 92 cents. And sour cream and onion, I believe it was either 92 or $1 something. But I just got that for their lunches, for sides. Got some potatoes, because, you know. And then ramen noodle. Hey, this is good. I mean, it's bad, but it's good because the children can make these for, you know, lunch, for dinner, whatever. So I got a ton of them for, they were 20 cents a piece. The other flavors were 25 cents. And I'm like, not spending 25 cents. So I just got one flavor, and that guy over there was not happy that I didn't get his favorite. But I wasn't paying 5 more cents for other flavors when I could get, you know, just your regular chicken for 20 cents. So I got 24 of these. And then I got a case of water, and that completes the haul. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.